making another video here with the Talon. You hear the engine revving up a little higher? Now the engine's warming up. So I could adjust the choke. This is the choke here. I'm sorry, the idle. And make the throttle, make this thing back. See, it's got too much power. It's moving forward by itself. So I need to put the brake on. Hopefully that'll keep it from moving. Every time I adjust it, it pulls out the brake more. I'm gonna have to adjust it again because that brake doesn't seem to be holding it. See? Shouldn't be moving like that. So let me adjust the brake again. I had to turn it off last time because for the same situation, the brake is too much. But if you go back and watch the beginning of the video, you can hear the engine revving very low. And that's the point of this video, is to show that you have to be patient with it. And I have it set up so it revs very low at idle. So now it's about to die on us. See what I did there? Did you hear the engine revving very, very low? So I'm gonna have to adjust the idle just to come up just a little bit, because the problem is when it warms up. When it warms up, it's ready to go. So I'm trying to push it back that way. To keep it from idling too high. So I don't need it to idle that high. The only reason I have it on right now is because I want to back it up and clean out the gas tank. I don't have the pit stop in there right now. I got a brand new one for it. I just want to clean out the gas tank and the rod, anything else that might be in there. So let's go ahead and back it up and see what we get it over there. I do have a clear path here. This will be the only issue. Hopefully I won't knock anything over. So I let it sit for a little while, and I think I just fouled the carburetor, or the engine at least. Had too much, what's it called? Gas in the engine. So let me go ahead and get in here. So I just put a block there. I don't want to mess with the seat because I don't want it to crack. I put some armor all on it, and it did soften it up a little bit, actually, quite a bit. But I'm gonna have to put some baby oil or something else on here because it's just not enough. Actually, I might just put some lotion on it. We'll see what I do. Brake fluid is full. Another thing is I haven't fixed the lights. I'll fix the lights today. I'll fix them here in just a second. Let's go clean out this tank, and we'll get the lights squared away. For the lights, we'll end up probably, we'll most likely end up taking out this setup here and seeing why there's no power going to these lights. And it may be a simple thing that because our switch here, maybe it's this switch, is not connected to the lights anymore. That's why the lights don't work. But I was able to get the kill switch to work. So let's see, I'm going to push the switch here. Did you hear that? So the kill switch works, and we can just set it up somewhere around here or so. And if you need to kill it, see? So now we got a kill switch up front. And just FYI, I wired into this cable here. You see the electrical tape right there? And I just jumped it. And it jumped it over to this cable, this black cable. This black cable goes to the coil itself. It ends up coming over to the coil. And so we're just grounding it out. That's all we're doing. The same thing that the key does here. Oops, I didn't mean for it to actually die. But it's the same thing that key does. I don't know why the light stays on, so I'm going to figure out why that light stays on as well. The engine's nice and hot, so let's go and just start it right up real quick. There we go. But if you ever have a problem with this thing starting, you really just need to stop and let it just cool. cool off. And I didn't show you right now, but you can see there's nobody on here, obviously. And so I did not need to step on the gas. I didn't. It's rolling on my foot. Luckily, this thing doesn't weigh much for me. It's not that dangerous. But I didn't step on the gas to get it started. I just turned the key, and that's all I did. So same thing you should have to do if you get this thing up and running. The engine's nice and quiet. It's brand new. You can see some tires. If this was an abused engine, those tires would be torn up. They still have all the little wear and tear from, all the little plastic nodules or whatnot from the shop. I'll tell you, these tires are brand new. See, I mean, it's a nodule on the side here, but this thing is brand new. This little green line here is there to tell the shop if it's a new tire or an old tire. Once it gets used up, that little green line will disappear. It's the same thing as the little dots that you see on tires when you buy them new. Those dots are there just to let you know that those tires are brand new. So you can see we've got brand new dots on the this is the dump truck. So see those dots there? Those are the same dots as those green lines. These are brand new tires. Look how thick those tire treads are. Okay. See how thick those tire treads are. Those are brand new tires. So the same thing that's going on with the tire over here. The engine is running, it's fine. So one thing that we did is we ended up bypassing the gas tank. That's all we did. Let me see if I can show you what I did. There's a lot of hoses and a lot of wires here, but it should not be confusing. The hose just goes into the tank and it's just sitting there. Obviously needs to be below the level of the gas. So it's hard to tell, but the gas line is basically there. So we're just there. I have to use some gas for the welder. But you can also see the gas in the fuel filter. So the gas just comes around. I just tied it in a knot here so it doesn't slap around. And from the fuel filter, I have it set up directly. Let me see if I can get a good angle. I got it directly straight into the carburetor. So you can see the hose moving out there. On the side of the carburetor, we get on that side. Put a hose. Okay, you can see where it is. That's where the hose goes from the top. There's the filter. You see it picks up the filter. There it is, right there. So I bypassed my tank. The tank had a hose that went from the gas tank. Somebody did this. I didn't do this. But there's a hose into the gas tank. And then they just put this hose on here and slid the original hose right into this hose. And so this hose is black and it's been preserved. So I wonder if this hose was also black, or maybe it's turned black. It was clear at some point, but it doesn't matter. They had this fuel filter on there and these little clamps for the gas tank itself. They go straight into the carburetor, I mean. Sometimes there's an arrow on these things that actually show direction of flow, or it'll just say out or in. This one doesn't say out or in, unfortunately. But this is just the fuel filter. So that one's doing real well. These are cheap little, I call them the Chinese fuel filters. And with time they'll end up breaking, so we'll need more of those. But for now everything's working fantastic. The little solar cell, I had it out here for about an hour or so, and it charged the battery from a 12.2 to a 12.4. It's working. So let me get on here and see if it'll move me. Oh crap. As far as getting in here, it's a bit of a challenge. Let's see. Let's get our parking brake off, and then we're in a full stop. I got the brake pedal in, and I'm gonna pull the reverse. Now we should be able to go back. Luckily, we got our mirrors here. We can adjust them as we need. I'm not gonna miss that one. I'm gonna leave it alone just because it's brand new. I want kicked in. The reverse kicked in. I was about to hit the table here. Luckily, I did not. So let me adjust this mirror a little bit. There we go. So of course, as we turn, I'm gonna go around that angle over there, and I want this tire right here to be as close to that point as possible. So I've got the mirror there, and I'm clear so the front doesn't slap around. You see I'm about to hit this point right here? So I gotta be careful. There we go. I'm hesitating because I'm on top of the weeds that are here in the path. This darn thing wants to take off. Oh, crap. Trying to go slow. I'm watching the mirrors. Cool. Now we can watch this side. I don't want to go too fast because I got everything that's loose in the back. But it's working. You can see we're moving. Everything's working as it should. Look at the down. Alright, let's keep going back. I don't want to hit this truck. Alright, cool. We're there. Okay, I'm going to put all the force that I can and release the reverse. So let's let the engine kind of... I might have to turn it off because it still wanted to go in reverse. Watch the tire. You see I'm still moving back? I might have to turn it off and let it... Oops, I forgot. I need to put the kill switch on there. So let's kill it. So actually, there we go. Look at that. That did it. I don't know if you heard the click click, but there we go. So I guess you gotta just slow it down. I just put it in reverse, but it's going forward. It's going forward. I just put it in reverse. You don't want to have that reverse when the engine is spinning. There we go. See how it clicked? Now we're forward. So, damn, this thing wants to just take off. We're still going back. I'm gonna kill the engine just a little bit. Uh-oh. There we go. So I'm not really sure where the issue is with the kill switch, but I'm clearly gonna have to put a secondary kill switch because this one's not 100% dependable. I'm not sure if it's in here or is it this darn thing. I don't know. Something going on with that kill switch. Anyways, that's it. It's off. I'm here by the water hose. I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the. So yeah, actually the placement of those mirrors is actually pretty good. I thought it'd be better to have them down here, but really I didn't want to obstruct my path of view, if you will. I wanted to make sure that I could still look back and whatnot. So, what's the point of the mirrors there? So that one I'm gonna leave alone. I'm not gonna take the little plastic off, but clearly those mirrors are working out really well. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.